morning, you guys. Welcome to Vlogtober day 4. As you can see, we're ready to shoot. I've slept again. And of course we've got sunshine when we kind of wanted mist. I mean, you honestly can't win. I'm going to want sunshine every day after this shoot is over, and all I'm going to get is rain. But we're going to go out and shoot, I think, in the grounds near the hotel, and then I'll come back, change, and then we'll maybe head out to one other location today. Outdoors, bit of wind. So guys, we're truly on the struggle bus with this sun, ridiculously. So we're going to wait until a bit later to shoot. We did do a few bits and bobs, but I think it would just be so much better for our vision if we wait until later on. Apparently it's supposed to get cloudy and rainy in the afternoon. It's absolutely lovely right now. So yeah, we are going to wait. So in the meantime, I'm obviously going to edit Vlogtober. I am also struggling with PMS today, guys. I just feel like I am super tired and I can't be arsed. So if I seem a little bit, what would be the word? Caustic or something today. It's that. I'm going to just check I just used the right word. Sarcastic in a scathing and bitter way. Yeah, I'm going to eat some Milky Bar buttons to try and give myself some energy, and yeah, edit away. So, vlog is edited. I haven't done all the bits and bobs like the thumbnail and stuff, but I'm glad that that's complete and I did something productive whilst we couldn't shoot. It is getting gloomier though. Look at this, look at this. I think we're going to go for lunch now anyway, to an apparently cozy pub, and then hopefully by the time we come back it will be even gloomier. That's the plan for now. Oh, I can't wait for some food. We missed breakfast this morning, but we're gonna have breakfast tomorrow.
We didn't miss it, we chose not to. We chose not to go.
It's a nice one, isn't it? Oh, that one's nice. We've arrived in Chagford. It's a nice church. This flower shop's cute. Oh, that wind's a little bit chilly. Much more promising out there now, guys. A bit of mist, a bit of rain. That's what we wanted. Our trip to the Three Crowns was not very successful. It swiftly went downhill after our Scotch eggs. Yeah, the Diet Coke was all wrong. Who knew you could do that wrong? But it's okay. We're on our way back. We're going to do our shooting now. And then have a nice dinner tonight at the hotel, probably. Now we've managed to end up on a road that's definitely not recommended by a hotel again. Oops. Where are we? It seems to be getting worse. I don't know, that it's not really coming up on camera, but it feels quite oppressive in real life. Wow, babbling brook. We got lost and now the sun's out again. What is going on? What is going on? Yeah, we got really lost, but it is absolutely stunning. It's not really coming up too well on camera, that's why I haven't filmed loads of it, but it's rather beautiful. These little kind of meadows in amongst the trees. for a minute there I really had to stop vlogging and just concentrate on shooting. But we are one outfit down. We're going to do another one kind of at dusk, which is kind of annoying because you're kind of waiting around in the hopes that you'll get something good. We are off again. But today's vlog is just us in our cars and me, well, our car, and me complaining about the weather and me walking around. So for that I am sorry. I think we're both just concentrating on this shoot today and trying to get the best possible pictures. So hopefully, well, it's, as you can see, lovely and gloomy outside. So oh, there's a cab coming. Look at this. It's crazy. It's rather beautiful. So we've got some shots that I think we're both quite happy with. But we are going to go and check. We basically stopped and got too excited and stopped at a location we didn't plan to stop at. Oh yes, some more rocks over there. Very nice. So yeah, we stopped early. We're going to just go to the original place that we thought we might want to stop at, but it is getting pretty dark now, so I reckon we'll probably use the first lot of shots anyway. Hello sheeps. We're back at the hotel. Just took some last pics and then I immediately got into my robe. Oh, I feel like a million times better. I was saying to Zach earlier, I think I've mentioned this before, but when I'm in the house or like relaxing or sitting down or whatever, I'm always in comfy clothes. Oh, and this week, I'm basically what I'm saying is I'm never properly dressed. And this week I have been dressed too much. It feels so good to be in my robe. We are celebrating wrapping today's shoot. I have actually decided that we are going to take one final picture for this particular shoot tomorrow morning. It was supposed to be the wrap today. I just thought of something and we're going to take one last picture tomorrow morning. Nonetheless, we are going to celebrate with some champagne on a Friday night. The other restaurant was fully booked. So we couldn't go to that, so we're gonna have some room service instead. And to be honest, I'm not mad about sitting around in my dressing gown for the evening. Oh yeah. That's lovely, that.
Hairdressing handyman, Mary's festive friend, or David's bath buddy. The only story that
Just turned the lights off before I realised I hadn't ended today's vlog, but I'm off to sleep now because I'm tired. But anyway, thank you guys for watching today. I will see you again very soon, i.e. tomorrow. Bye!